Hey, you guys, this is Uncle P from superezforex, and so I'm showing you another live account. This is a separate account. I'll go to the history. This one is very special to me. There goes our scanner. You see our scanner just sent me a notification. It pops up. So if you haven't bought our scanner, it should help you pretty well with your trading. But anyway, back to this. I'm going to go to the history, and I'm going to show you that if you look at the top, you'll see right here at the top under deposit, I started with $5,000. And I started this account just the other day with just 40 US 30. So you see that some trades played out. This has been jiggling around, so I've been dibbing and dabbing in it. Dibbing and dabbing, dibbing and dabbing. And I actually called this trade out 2 days in a row in our live classes on Tuesday and Wednesday. So my students who are watching this, you can confirm that during class, I called this trade out to you guys, and I said that I was waiting for the US 30 to hit the level that we had discussed in class, and then I told you I was going to smack it. All right, and as you can see, I've already tripled this account in a matter of days. Now, I'm just really happy about this trade because, again, I'm looking at this setup and I plan on holding this trade for quite some time. For me personally, I think this is just the beginning of the fall that I had told you guys in class about. As far as the US Dow and the NASDAQ collapsing. And so I just wanted to wait for it to come to a good price that I was happy with. So I'll just leave this running and just want to show you guys proof that, our information, tools, classes are very effective. Very, very effective. All right. Thank you.